Okay guys, this one's going to be really short. The first video cut off at about 4 minutes. So the second half of writing the names or formulas for covalent compounds. Just as a quick refresher, remember covalent compounds are between two nonmetals. They use the prefixes 1 through 10 in the names. The first name will always be the element name with or without a prefix. Remember, mono is optional. The second name, always change the ending to "-ide", and you do have to have a prefix on the second name. So there's two examples where we took the formulas and then wrote out the names. But here at the bottom, I have a few names written out. The most difficult portion or part for writing the formulas is knowing your elements and then knowing your prefixes. So remember, if you're looking at the first name, then you want to spot the element name and then the prefix. So pentanitrogen hexaiodide. So pentanitrogen, what's the prefix for penta, or what's the number for the prefix penta, and then what's the element? So nitrogen is my element, so I'm going to write the symbol for nitrogen, and then penta is 5, so N5. And then hexaiodide, the second element's always the harder one to spot, but if you look at the second half of the word, you should be able to pick out the root there. So the root is io, so iodine is the element. Hex is 6, so N5I6 should be your answer there. For the second one that I have here, if mono is not present and you just see the name for the element, then that is a single atom of sulfur. So just S, the 1 is understood. And then dioxide. Di is 2, and oxide is oxygen, so SO2. And then for the last example, very quickly here, carbon tetrachloride. Once again, I don't see the prefix mono, but I don't see another prefix. So I'm just going to write the symbol for the element carbon. So C, the 1 is understood. And then tetrachloride. So my end of my name is chloride, which is chlorine. And then the prefix tetra, which would be CCl4. So that's the quick tutorial review on how to name and write the formulas for covalent compounds.